Hey, good Friday afternoon, everybody. Anthony here from Southern New England Weather. A little forecast video, trying something new here with some new desktop recording software. So let's get right to our forecast here. Let's start on the northeast. What you're looking at here is 500 millibar heights in the white, and you're looking at sea surface level pressure in the red. And just to get you geographically oriented, here's California here, Texas here, Florida here, New England here, and there's the middle part of the country here. What we're looking at currently is this cutoff low. You can see it right there. Upper level low here. It's been keeping us cloudy, occasional showers. This is from the storm that passed earlier this week, and it's still bringing heavy snows in northern Maine. This is going to start to sink off to the southeast this weekend, so it could bring some snow showers, rain showers, and even in here to southern New England as that starts to pull back out to sea. You could get a little bit of wraparound moisture, bring maybe a coating over the weekend. We'll continue to keep an eye on that, but all eyes on the big potential storm for the middle part of next week, and you can see its first signs here coming in the Pacific Northwest early Sunday morning. So we have a long way to go, especially tomorrow. I think models tomorrow will get a better handle on this as the energy starts to enter the Pacific Northwest. We start to get more data on it here. You can see this ridge building here through the four corners. You can see a trough trying to become amplified, but look at how far south the 540 line is down into Florida. Look at that blocking. That's just tremendous blocking, and is the reason why I think in the end this storm does go off to the south of us. Does it leave us unscathed? I'm not sure about that quite yet. There you can see that storm and kind of that omega block right here. This storm will be cut off in the 500 millibar heights. That'll take a dive down. Look at the ridge building here across the west and the four corners. You got another storm coming in the Pacific Northwest, but here it is here, surface pressure, surface low developing off Cape Hatteras. You still have your upper level low back here, so you have an upper level low over Ohio with a redevelopment off of Cape Hatteras, and all going to happen within this upper level low in the 500 millibar patterns here, or the falling of heights in the 500 millibar patterns. That works offshore, and look at it, gets trapped right there. So our surface low 994 millibars off Cape Hatteras trapped in this 500 millibar flow. You can see how it comes down up. Problem with this here is look at that 1030 strong high over Canada. That's what you love to see for a New England snowstorm, a southern New England snowstorm. But with it in this position here per the Euro, it's going to give us a heavy snowstorm in here through the Delmarva into Virginia, maybe up to D.C. The problem with this is the blocking's just far too strong, and it goes out to sea. Does it leave us unscathed? No, it doesn't, because it's a huge storm with an expanding wind field and perhaps an expanding precipitation shield. Apart from that, if we go to now you look at that storm here, where it really forms in its infant stages here, which is Wednesday evening, and look at the precipitation starting to break out there. This previous 6 hour heavy snowfall in towards Virginia, up towards the Delmarva Peninsula, Maryland, Washington, D.C., southern New Jersey, and that continues, and then most of the moisture with it pulls off out to sea. Now wait a minute, because GFS a little farther north on its 12Z run. I'm not going to look at 18Z run, as I usually don't this far out. But look at the GFS now, a bit further north. Brings rain and snow into eastern PA, a rain-snow line into New Jersey, and a winter storm into southern New England. Either way, with all of this, guys, the potential is there for strong wind gusts, and that's what I'm going to be looking at now. There's the formation of the storm. Let's get this out here. There's the formation of the storm Wednesday afternoon. You can see strong wind gusts already coming into southern New Jersey. Now look at it, just intensifies. Look at this huge area from the Outer Banks of North Carolina of wind gusts 40, 50, 55, 60 miles an hour right into New Jersey, New York City, the Battery. So there could be other problems even if this is not a direct hit. So we're going to continue to keep an eye on that. Look at those winds, that wind field with that. So let's keep an eye on this, guys. We'll try and give you another forecast video later. Have a good weekend.